Hi. In last video, I explained about this complete cycle, and uh, now I will explain about the same thing in a very simpler manner. If you're not able to understand, a very simpler manner I'll explain. So this also look like similar to that, but this will give little bit idea, like high level actually. So basically, I will in Jira. I think most of the people will aware of the Jira. So all the your epic stories or your Scrum, you whatever your dashboard bugs or epics will be raised in Jira. Whether it's a story or it's a bug, everything will be here, and that will be mapped with. I mean, so once you start developing and you will keep it, that code, your features will be in your repository. That will be in a Git. So once you check in and when you test it or build it, and your Git will start uh, uh, start start building this. And once you build it, you will write your own unit test cases and everything, and that unit test cases will execute of your models, and QA team will be tested. Then after that, whatever you tested, that package will be released, and that package will be released, and that we will keep it as an artifact. Means that is a working code like that. It will be they will say as an artifact. So that will be deployed into some virtual machines, or it may be a Docker. Docker is like it's a small container that we'll see in upcoming videos. And after that, it will be operated. I mean, it will be your thing will be deployed into productions, and it will be monitored. Any issues are coming, any spike up or anything will be that will be monitored, and like this a complete flow will be happening. Okay, so this is like high level flow. We will see a real time examine in upcoming video. Thank you.